Let's think. 1, 7, 9. Oh, come on! How did Samantha even come up with that? Stashing away my sweets in her safe. Oh, I'll show her. I'll open it and...
Sam, stop!
What now?
Is that Samantha's safe?
Yes, but there's...
If Samantha puts something in her safe, you can't touch it. That's the rule.
And if I put something in a safe, she won't touch it either?
Of course.
Oh, I like that. Susie, will you please help me make my own safe for coins?
For coins?
Yes! Samantha keeps pinching my coins that I'm saving for candy.
Well, it'll only be fair. I think I have some cardboard left. Let me check.
Quick! I need... Oh, hey there. Sue and I are going to make a safe. And my coins will be safe inside.
It won't just be safe. It'll be interesting, too.
Interesting. How?
We'll make a piggy bank that will swallow the coins.
Swallow? Well, as long as it doesn't digest them, then I can get it back. So what do I do? Put out circles, make decorations, chop some sticks. Hot.
Sammy, calm down. Let me think. Oh, yes, you can cut the sticks since you're such a pro.
No problemo.
All right, and I'll start with the cardboard. As usual, we'll make some base details first. I'll need a few parts with holes. Remember to be careful with the cutter. And the cut must be precise. Take your time. Like this. I'll glue these 3 parts together. I believe I've become an expert when it comes to hot glue. Of course, always use caution.
And when cutting sticks too. I didn't even cut myself.
That's great!
Are you making a frame?
No, Sammy. It's a future mouth for your coin-hungry bank.
Oh, carry on. I'm intrigued.
Right on. There'll be a small hatch in the bottom. Cool. This tiny door works great. Now I'll put together a frame for the bank. I'll make it out of these rectangular parts. It's very simple. I just need to remember to leave some space on each side. Let's see if it fits. Looks good. No need to glue this. It'll be a moving part. But now it'll help us to understand where to glue these parts. Very careful. I don't want to glue everything together. Just attach these narrow strips to the wall.
The first batch of sticks is ready.
Just in time, thank you.
You're welcome.
These little sticks will go on top of the moving part, right here on the sides. 1 and 2. And also onto these parts. Double check. Yep, everything fits perfectly. Now,
And the rest of the sticks!
you're so fast, Sammy. I'll need these really soon, in a few moments. I'll just glue the back wall.
And I...
And you will bring me a piece of twine.
Yes, ma'am. Like this?
Exactly like this. Let's put together the moving mechanism. Securely wrap the thread around the stick. Glue the stick to the moving part. Pass the thread through this part that was made by Sammy.
I did it myself because there was no need for hot glue, just this wood glue.
Well, I'll still need hot glue because we need this part to be securely attached to the cardboard.
1 circle, 2 circles.
And an awl!
What?
We need to make another part out of circles with a hole in the middle. Guys, this awl is very sharp. Be careful with it. I'll put 3 circles together on the awl. 2 big ones and 1 smaller one.
Here!
Oh, how did you know that's the glue I needed?
I read your mind.
Huh? Oh, guys, do you think Sam can read minds? You never know what slimes can do. I might have missed something. But I do know what step is next. I'll insert a skewer into this part that we made and secure it with glue, like this. I'll also need a similar part but bigger, and a cube made out of cardboard squares. This part with a small stick and a small circle.
What are they for?
What about reading my mind?
You know, the conditions aren't the same. Magnetic storms.
I see. I'll put together a revolving mechanism out of these parts. These parts made of small circles will go here. And the parts made of larger circles and the cube will go there. Awesome!
should the thread just dangle like this?
Right, Sammy. We'll attach it to this small stick. Let's tighten it. And secure it with glue just to be safe. And cut off the excess.
That magnetic storm is gone, and I see you need rubber bands!
You're right, Sammy. 2 rubber bands will go inside. I'll use tweezers to expand them and avoid breaking something. Let's see. Yes, it works! Excellent! And there will be 1 band outside here.
Don't forget this part!
I won't, of course. It's a handle to make the rotating more convenient. I'll secure it with glue. And check.
Good job. Something's missing, though.
1 more wall and a bottom?
Those 2, but wait right here! I'll be back!
Okay, meanwhile, I'll attach these parts. That's it! Your saving bank is ready, Sammy!
You can't deliver the finished work without my decorations!
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, Sam.
I've prepared everything. Move. Okay, this one here, and yep. Oh, that one too! Yes! Done.
That's a real coin eater.
Coin eater? Oh, I like that. Come on, let me put my coins inside, quick! Samantha doesn't get to touch my coins.
Yes, and if you need them yourself, you can take them out through this hatch here.
What? Shh! Don't tell Samantha.
I won't.
Do you guys want a bank like this for yourselves? Give a thumbs up and go make it.
And get your friends to make it more fun. Bye-bye.
Also, subscribe to the channel, please. Off we go to think of a new DIY for you.